Yo guys, it's Mitchell. Today I'm going ice fishing with LBF Outdoors at Hurds Lake. We brought the side-by-side here today. We just came all the way down this lake. We brought his toboggan right behind the tow hook, and it's coated in snow, as you can see. Look at this. Leaf, look at this.
Yeah.
We got about, I don't know, 4 inches of snow last night. So yeah, we got lots of snow. There'll be lots of fun on this thing. It'll be a ride. Okay, and also,
I'm just
Leaf saw his Garmin here. We
checking the depth here. This is, I remember this being a good spot. So I'm looking in that 10 to 12 foot range, hopefully.
All right, we just got our first fish of the day. It's a bluegill.
Okay, so got the first fish of the day here. My first bluegill of 2018. Yeah, so I just
He's recording his video.
are really high, so these fish are just cruising along at the tops of the weeds.
Sweet.
And yeah.
All right, I'm digging for ice fish because there's lots down there apparently. According to Leaf's first. This guy with the shack right there, he's caught one fish in like 62 hours. Leaf's catching another one. Wait, I'm getting bites. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to put you down.
You're getting bites, Mitchell?
Yep.
That's a little bit of a better bluegill too. We're just on an exclusive here.
Oh god, drop my iPhone. Okay. Oh.
Are you getting a bite?
Yes.
Get him.
We're getting fish. I'm gonna reel up my first fish of the day.
I haven't gone bluegill fishing yet this year. Ice fishing for bluegill is just a little bit more fun than ice fishing for perch because
They like fight more, yeah.
Get him. He's on. Got him.
Yes!
Get him.
Yes!
Get him.
Oh shit, you're right, did you? Yes!
That's a pumpkin
That's a pumpkin seed!
That's a pumpkin seed. We're on the multi-species
Yes!
here already.
Ah,
That's awesome.
and I got that all on video. That'll be a good video. Okay, I think I'm
It
gonna...
would be a bonus if we could get a bass. Oh.
Ooh,
Get him.
what is that? Holy... Yeah!
Another pumpkin seed.
Another
You got
pumpkin
all the
seed.
pumpkin seeds.
Ah.
What's going on here?
Goodbye. Safe travels. Since we're handling all those fish with our hands, it's getting kind of cold. So we're thinking we are going to set up the shack. Because we are getting a lot of fish and it'll be more fun in a nice warm shack than the cold out here. So yeah, we'll set up the shack and then we'll be good to go. We've got 3 more hours.
Yeah.
Alright, now I just jig.
And now we can use the Garmin to see both of our baits right beside each other. The Garmin keeps like messing up because it says 8 and then it says like 14 because the weed tops are like 5 or 6 feet tall. So we already caught some different species of sunfish. Now a bass or a pike would just be a bonus.
We said that last time, remember? Okay, we're seeing fish on the Garmin, and that is always a good sign. And I think I just got a little bite.
Yeah. Oh, you have a fish. You have a fish, Mitchell.
Oh yes! Look
What
at
is it?
the camera.
Oh, nice
Oh.
bluegill. See, these fish are suspended here. I just looked down Mitchell's hole
And you saw it.
and I saw it just bite.
There we go.
So we're tied now, 3 for 3. 3-3. We both have 3 fish.
These
Seems
fish,
to be-
it's like they're just biting them by the lips. So here's a bluegill. Look at that. Ow. What are these guys? Oh, goodbye. Okay,
Oh, he bit.
there's a fish. We got a fish.
Got him.
Got a fish.
Yeah. Probably a bluegill or something. Oh, it's a bluegill.
Oh, he's catching all the bluegills. There we go.
Yeah. Did he bite? What the hell? You have one. You got him.
Oh. Ooh, we got him. Ooh. Ha! Yes.
Wrapped up in the translucent. Let's see. Some people, Americans like eat bluegill too.
Alright guys, so we're going to be packing up now. This guy who owns this shack just arrived, but we're sadly going to pack up, so we won't have time to visit. But yeah, he's got a nice fire and everything in there, but yeah, it's a nice place. So we're going to pack up everything, and we'll be going back home, and that'll be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, you know the drill. Subscribe. Most recent video.